everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you a mani using Blackbird Dips. And check out that package. Isn't it cute with the stars and the moon on it? And the first thing in here is a card. It has the website, the Facebook group on here, Instagram, and a code for 10% off your first purchase with Blackbird 10. So that's awesome. And just a little note there. And the first thing in here is a wax melt, and this wax melt smells so good. It is white tea, and it's not too sweet. It's not too strong smelling at all. It's a really clean scent. And I actually have this going in my wax melter now for about a month now, and it's still going. And it smells great, and I really do enjoy it. And then aren't these little cuticle oil bottles the cutest little thing you've ever seen? I like that companies let you try smaller sizes first, so then you know if you like the scent or not, and then you're not stuck with like this giant bottle if you for some reason don't like the scent. So these are the 3 scents. And Beach Bum is so good. Actually, all of these scents are really good. So I just love the little cute little mini bottle. Alright, so pulling out the 4 dips here. And the packaging is adorable. I love the little black bird. And I got Juicy, Tropicana, Oceana, and the other one is Caribbean Glow, which is a glow dip. So all these colors here are perfect for that transition into summer. Juicy is amazing. It's coral with flecks of glitter in it, and the glitter is so pretty. And then the next one is Tropicana, and the glitter in here, it's amazing. It's pink with the coral, orange, sherbet colored glitters and blue glitters in there. Super pretty glitter. I had a really hard time picking which mani I wanted to do with this because I wanted to use them all in one mani. And then this glitter, Oceana, it's so pretty. It has blue in there and a little bit of green in there as well. And then the other one is Caribbean Glow, and this is the prettiest teal ocean blue color I've ever seen. And the glow on this is amazing. You'll see it in the end. And here are all the colors swatched. Aren't they gorgeous? They are so pretty. Honestly, these colors would look great together too on a mani just by themselves. And then here's a swatch outside. So I'm going to have you guys watch me do this mani. You will see here throughout the mani, I did change my mind. Originally, I was going to do the Caribbean Glow on 2 fingers and then the Oceana glitter on the rest. But then throughout the mani, I changed my mind and I went back in with Caribbean Glow and then did a little accent nail. And I am using the gel method for this mani. I'll let you watch this mani and I'll pop back in a little bit. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and do some nail art here on two of the nails. And for this, I am using a gel liner brush or a nail art brush just from Amazon. I believe it's from the Beatles brand. And I'm just placing some gel base right there on that little palette. And I'm going to use that gel polish and make that kind of sideways line there on the nail there. And then I'm going to dip it into the glitter. And I'm going to do it on that finger and on the pinky. And then after that, I'm going to go in with my base coat and gel top coat, and then we are done. So I'll see you back in a few moments. So I just completed that gel top coat, and I really liked how this mani turned out. I think it's super pretty. I'm going in with the Beach Bum Cuticle Oil to help tie in this tropical vibe mani I got going on here. And if you haven't checked out Blackbird Dips, definitely go check out her website. Brandy has some really great colors on there, some unique glitters. Also, she has HEMA-free builder gel, HEMA-free gel top coat, and base coat, which I definitely need. And I'm going to show you that glow here in just a second. The glow on this dip is amazing. It lasted all night long. It was still glowing when I got up in the morning, and it actually was freaking my husband out. But I love a good glow dip. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!